replacing a 2000 Cherokee door check arm. What this does right here is this arm comes out, and there's a pin, there's a couple of springs and mechanics in here that hold the door open when you push it out. However, this one has broke. Wasn't the pin, it was this itself, so I've just pushed that back in. Today we're going to replace it, and you have to take the door off and all that good stuff, so I'm showing you how to do that. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out the screws to take the door panel off. We got one here, here, and 3 across the bottom right here.
First try. We don't need to be wasteful though. That's the thing. Hey Jake. Jake says he has something for me or for YouTube camera. Okay. So I know how, YouTube recommends you so many viewers and you kind of love that thing. I love my for 5,000 orders. I got you. It's not a placard, but it's pretty cool. Dude, that's pretty cool. Wait, that thing's legit. Good morning, Jake. Good morning. Are you ready for this? I'm ready. You know what's not very exciting? What? Watching 2 dudes at the hardware store picking out a door. But you know how we can make it exciting. Have you ever heard of an epic edit? Nope. Just edit it to look epic. Ready for this? Yeah. Good luck, Jake. I actually have no idea. Just a 22. Get it as hard as you can. I think you just tap it. That was it.
When we got this press, none of us had ever printed a t-shirt. Ever. And the guy came to set it up, and he thought he was just training us on how to use this particular machine. And then he got there and found out that they were only like 3 inches and that doesn't matter.
Employees.
They were very big.
Looks like printing companies will buy a much more modest machine first, like a digital press or a smaller automatic press, and we're like, no, we want to change the game.
They can see this, so like we want to change the game.
Yeah. So we got the big dog, and he came in to show us how to use this machine, and we're like, whoa, how do you print one shirt? That's what we need to know how to do.
And he finally taught us the basics, and we started putting shirts on. Jake got really excited and wanted to see how fast we could make it go. And so he's like, I printed 100 shirts in 20 minutes. And a big deal, but then you realize it's and we had to throw them away.
Looking at right now for what? It's happening.
So now that we got that piece out, here's our new piece. I got it from Rock Auto. Only downside is that this did not come with the nuts or the jet door check pin, which is the piece that rolls right here. To get it in there, you go through the speaker right here. It's the only good place. And you see a light right here, right there. That's where you need to get up into. So I did find this pin. I forgot I had this. This came from a 96 Cherokee, and these are stainless right here. The ones that came on this, they were steel and they had rusted out. So what you want to do is you want to pull this towards so you can get hole lined up, and you want to drop it in there. I'll put some right here. That noise is coming from the watered out hole right there, as you can see. That pin hits each side. And I did have it deeper, so it's not hitting that nut. So we're gonna have to take this piece off. We're gonna weld a washer on there the same size of this pin. Similar to what we did on our first Death Wobble Fix video.
Alright, we found most of the problem is wallowed out on the top, as you can probably see that, how wallowed out that is. Bottom side's also oval, but not quite as much. We couldn't find a washer exactly the right size, so we got a washer that's a smidgen smaller. And we're going to use those, and then we'll drill the hole out to fit the pin. And this will be the replacement material, and it's every bit as thick and maybe even a little thicker than the original. So we're pretty sure that'll hold for a pretty good while. Well, you can see we found the washers that'll fit, and they actually fit the contour pretty good right here. So we'll just leave it at that, and I'm going to put some welds probably on this side and this side, not welded all the way around. Just get some decent welds on both sides, so if it happens again in the next ever how many years, we can just grind those off and replace them at that time.
Order needs to be restored. Trump needs to go into their room and act like a hey, knock it off. You know when you hear that shit.
We put our door panel back on. It's same, you reverse the process. We had the washers on here. We welded it on there and painted it back up, grinded it down. It looks pretty good. And it took some red Krylon paint and it matches pretty nicely. And put it back on. We just bolt it in right here, and then we drop our pin in there.
till you get both screws in.
Yeah. I was gonna get to about there. That's something. It's still a little.
That's just enough.
No, it's
It's just tacky.
no. It's rubbing real heavy right here. See that?
Yeah.
There we go. Now let's get the pen.
Okay.
I use a socket wrench. Close it. Close it. Right there. Alright, first time the door will hold itself open. So that snapping loud noise is gone. It's the first time the door has ever held itself open since I've had it. We just painted it up, looks real nice, matches, and sounds how it should. Best part is it holds itself open.
As you can see, all the play is gone. The pin doesn't move. Makes that certain clunk noise that you get, which is not the snapping noise that we had earlier, but it's just as good as a new one. And it's a little bit of a fix, a little time consuming, but it's very similar, as mentioned before, to the repair we made on the track bar at the bracket that holds that. It's the same principle, same theory, and it looks factory. We got a red that was close enough to the original. You'd be hard pressed to see it. And now, there it is, like new. Like and subscribe. See you later.